Good morning, students. In this video we are going to study how to draw a graph of a linear equation. That is a class 9th topic. Since we have done many questions regarding linear equations, we have done how to solve them, how to get the solutions of that linear equations. So in this video we will do further how to use that solutions of the equation to draw a graph. So for this I am going to take a linear equation. Let's say I have 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, I have this equation and I am going to draw the graph of this linear equation. So for this, the first method for us is that firstly we will do the step 1 will be to find solutions of the equation. Okay, we will just find solutions of that equation. So let's find the solutions of this equation. I am going to put, let's say, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to, let's say, 2 I am filling. Okay, let me take here 0 only. This will be easy for us, otherwise you will get confused. Let's see x is equal to 0. So this will be 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 0 plus 3y is equal to 12, and this is going to give me y is equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. So this is our first solution, that is 0 comma 4. Okay, similarly we can find one more. See, 2 solutions will be enough for drawing a graph. Okay, so let's say I am finding another. I will put x is equal to, let's say we can take here 3. So when I will put x is equal to 3, this will be equal to 6 plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so after this 6 will be subtracted there, it will be 12 minus 6, that is 6, and y will be 6 by 3, that is 2. See, these things we have done already. So our solution will be 3 comma 2. So the next step will be, so just draw a table of the solutions. Okay, that will be a small table that will be showing us the solutions of the equations. This is just a method to do our work properly. Okay, this is not mandatory that you have to draw the graph only, but it should be that you have to find the solutions properly and then draw the graph using this table. So draw the table and write x and y, then after that the 2 solutions which you have got. For example, first here it was 0 and 4, then after that it was 3 and 2. So this was about the solutions. You have made one table of the solutions and you have got the solution. The next step will be, the next step of making the graph will be step number 2, to plot these points. Okay, plot the solutions on graph. Okay, I am just drawing the graph using my pen only here, but you have to draw it properly using the graph paper. Since I don't have graph paper, I am going to draw it here only. So all of you know that graph has x-axis and y-axis we can take on the graph. Okay, let's say this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. I am going to plot my 2 solutions. One was 0 comma 4 and another was 3 comma 2. Okay, so here this will be our origin. Let's say our x-axis will be having these points 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and so on. Similarly, y will be having these points 1, 2, 3, 4, that are enough. Okay, since if we are having negative numbers, then you can draw it further also downside and on the left hand side. Okay, so next thing is we have to plot the points here. The first is 0, 4. So take care that this is going to be x and this is going to be y. So x is 0, that means here 0 will be there, and y will be 4, and y is for this side. So if you start from here, 0, x is 0 here, go up to y, that is 4 here. So this is going to be the 0, 4. Okay, so the next thing is 3, 2, since x is 3 and y is 2. So x is 3 here and y is 2. We have to start from x and go up to y, that is 2. So it will be here. Okay, so here our second point will be there, that is 3, 2. So this is how you plot the points on a graph. After plotting the points, just join them with the scale. Okay, you have to join it with scale. I am joining using my hand only, but you have to draw it properly with the scale. Okay, so this is the method to draw the graph of a linear equation using this method. Okay, let's revise it again. This first step was to find the solution of the equation. Solution finding we have done already. Okay, in the previous question, many questions we have done how to find the solutions. So that after getting the solutions, the next thing you have to do is draw the table of that solutions. Okay, then next thing will be to plot the solutions on the graph. How to plot the solutions, that I have just explained to you. Okay, so that is the end of this video.